My buck a skull in a Cali when I fast like Sunny. Shot down a miller so we do it normally. Make Christian gal they are just a pop Mali.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
My buck a skull in a Cali when I fast like Sunny. Shot down a miller so we do it normally. Make Christian gal they are just a pop Mali. Desert me the beat with a sweet like fabric.
So people, in this video, as usual, we have a lot to talk about. People, Silk Boss, Clapback and Jahshii. And we have the real truth onto what unfold at Reggae Some Fest.
My buck a skull in a Cali when I fast like Sunny. Shot down a miller so we do it normally. Make Christian gal they are just a pop Mali. Desert me the beat with a sweet like fabric.
So the preview you hear right now is from an artist called CHADDY Skull. And the song is called One Client. I'm not telling a lie, the song bad as you see already. And this are just the preview, people. I'm not telling a lie. And guess what? A Portland artist, member me don't tell you from a taller time. The Portland artist, them a lead out.
My buck a skull in a Cali when I fast like Sunny. Shot down a miller so we do it normally. Make Christian gal they are just a pop Mali.
And people, for sure you say, the artist them over the Portland side, multi-talented. Him not really just an artist alone. He's an engineer and also a producer.
Me just bingo, gal a drop jars and me roll down my window. There are some things to fat them scoop and the glass them tilt up. Them a wonder how we live just one client.
So people, me I go left the link to CHADDY Skull Instagram page and his YouTube channel. So I want to go over there, go over and platform them, message him, comment anything you want to do and tell him if he drop that song here, One Client. Make him know say a Chaddy Murray TV send you over here.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, me have to big up Silk Boss because what? Silk Boss I watch the review them and not only watching my reviews, it look like Silk Boss is a big fan of Chaddy Murray TV. But then again, who is not a big fan of Chaddy Murray TV? You see me? But Silk Boss I watch reviews them, I get him little notebook something and I write notes. You see me? And I say, alright, we are gonna do this, we are gonna do that. Chaddy say we do that and do that. Alright, you know, so me I go structure it that way, yeah. And why more than just get up and I say that? Because Silk Boss dropped this new diss track aimed at Jahshii and it's entitled Runner. People, me not tell a lie still. It's a great attempt of a song. Me see where him did a try though. You see me and we are gonna break down the song. Me are gonna play some of the part them what me like. Well, me never sure if no part in there what me like. But me are gonna play some of the okay part them. No bad part in there. So we are play okay part and the part them are not good. So first of all, let's talk about the notes them when I write down from Chaddy Murray TV. And me no know, probably me need to do more of them reviews, yeah, or to educate the artists them, because we see them at TikTok. You see me? But them not do everything we want them to do, but we see them at TikTok. So him get a C for effort, cause he must see the review. Be a foolish me chatting. Anyway, still, I did a video and premiered on YouTube on July the 22nd, and it's entitled Breaking News: Jahshii is dancehall new runner. If he don't reply to Silk Boss. And on the cover art, I put Jahshii face pan like a runner and put like a little finishing line something behind there and everything. You know, she say Jahshii run with the whole of my thumbnail and put use theme cover art. As I say nothing wrong, cause me I inspire the youths them.
Party never stick, cap about the face and bottle lip. Your mama start to make the boy want make a talk and swallow it, cause me have a clip.
Me are the first vlogger who point out and say Jahshii is a runner. And even when me do that review there, you know, me see some other vlogger I come talk about, yo, don't ramp with me thing and this and that and that. But we never go pay them no mind, cause we still give respect to who they did it before we. So Silk Boss not only borrow the cover art, or I should say thumbnail, cover art, whatever, but him also borrow the title, because him title, him song, him new diss track, aimed at Jahshii, him title it Runner. Now, me can commend Silk Boss with the intro. Well, not all of the intro, you know, but part of the intro of the song, wherein Silk Boss played an interview from where the brother name again? Anthony Miller. Sorry about that. So, Anthony Miller did do an interview with Jahshii. The viral interview where Jahshii go and talk about him shot himself. In that interview, that him did actually say, yo, Silk Boss, them a do it and them thing there. Where Silk Boss go wrong, in my opinion now, Silk Boss should have used that as ammunition and put it in the song itself and not in the intro. Use it as a witty lyrics to try clap back at Jahshii. But Silk Boss never do that. Me tell us, it come like some I forgot have a songwriting class. Invite Silk Boss. Anyway, this is the intro.
Silk Boss, brother, them man a powerful youth. You know have to question that. Them man they I go take music to a way different.
Now people, in my opinion, with Silk Boss have that ammunition, him should have use it a different way. Now this song to me just sound like a regular gun song. It definitely sound worse than the previous song. I'm done forward and telling you, say me never liked the previous song. And I say, alright, then this is an intro to a clash. And then him go give this for a second clash. How do you expect Jahshii go answer this now? Jahshii, don't get me wrong, you know. I want your answer, you know. I definitely want your answer. But a typical artist not gonna necessarily answer a song like this. Alright, I'ma cut out the gimmicks and try actually review this song. I'm gonna make you hear the chorus, cause in my opinion, the chorus kinda strong. Or one of the strongest point in the song.
This a boy a runner, like a bolt in parade. Approve who are the fastest, use the rifle, pierce him forward.
So people, this is basically the chorus. This a boy a runner. Me no know, him sound lazy when he must sing it. It sound like say when he record a song him did sit down. Me no know still. And then people, it sound like Silk Boss actually a run out of lyrics. And remember, you know, a Silk Boss alone a clash. Him and himself a clash and him a run out of lyrics. How is that? Silk Boss actually a repeat rhyming scheme in a this song and in a the previous song when name what? Fox? Yeah.
Rise the lamb, my brain go far and left a gun and kill him father and the mother. Your friend some breed your baby mother. Right from burn them up like say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yada, me no stop from breathe the lamb and kill him auntie and him father. Dog what do them little boy run up.
So brother, you only can sing about llama and kill auntie and father and uncle. Brother, some pitney rhyme in ABC that father, mother, sister, brother. Lammer. Yo, me not tell a lie. Silk Boss, me expect better from you, brother. You repeat your word them in your song, brother. You repeat your lyrics them. You see me? And the next thing where you repeat your topics them. Because you forward, alright, the two major punch in other song here. Me play one already. Where he might talk about say, yo, your friend a go breed your baby mother. And next one where he might say, yo, a bag of man. With your girl sucker, some so good argument with girl or whatever, with the girl at Oakland. Brother, you talk that already in our first song in a Fox. So what? You talk all of the Fox in our first song? You know no more story? Brother, this is a Jahshii we are talking about in a Jahshii life. Come like a open book in my youth. Amount of foolishness where Jahshii go on with. And you can't make a decent song to beat the man. So how you feel want war against Jahshii? Rocky Road, you know the best thing you go do? I go fix the car there, brother. I'll try go write some songs and get some shows, me G. Get some shows, you see me, focus on some reality type songs and just put out your best, not at clashing. We don't say clashing is not your strong point. But me not tell a lie. The song them where you do like the earlier song them in your career and the one where you do it with even Shabdan. You see me, them song the bad, focus on them song them G, or them type song the low out the clash thing. Your career I go end up turn more of a joke than how it is already is, because at this point I laugh. Anyway, big up yourself, because me see say you look up to me and you take the cover art something and the title. So I hope you listen to the review here and don't take it as a diss, but just take it as constructive criticism. Brother, lower out the clash thing. Left it alone. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this song we discuss. You know what? Let me know what you think about Trxp Skull song One Client. Alright, now that song there 10 times hotter than that song. Yeah. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And remember, one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.